Hi there, welcome to Roll. Tristan's my name. Today what I want to do is take you through custom fields in Roll and how they work and how you set them up. And custom fields is a neat bit of functionality that's been added to the project or to the product that allows you to capture data that's specific to your business or specific to projects or clients that you work with. And it's a way of extending the product and it's basically tailoring it to really meet your business needs and capturing the information that's important for your business. And every business is different, so what the information that's important to you might be totally different for another business. So let's jump straight in and have a look at how custom fields are set up and how they're used. So custom fields can be set up in two different areas in Roll. They can be set up in projects and in the client's areas. If I go back to the projects and click on a project, we've actually got three different zones where we can put custom fields. We can drop them into zone 1, which is in under the client name and the project name. Zone 2 is on the right hand side and it comes under reference number, PO number. So this area here we can add custom fields to. And then we've got the custom fields tab on the far right hand side. If we flick over to clients, similar, except we've got only two zones where we can add custom fields. We can add them under the address details and primary contact. So it comes in as zone 1 here, and zone 2 is the same again, the custom fields tab on the right hand side. So how easy is it to add them? Well, actually really easily. So what we're going to do, you need to be an admin user to get access to the custom fields area, but let's go into settings. And if we have a look at the left hand side, I'll just shrink that up, but we can see at the bottom of the menu on the left hand side we've got this area called custom fields. So we'll click on that and it then reveals project fields or client fields, which relate to those areas that we talked about earlier. For this example we'll just use project fields, and we are on the project custom fields. We've got zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, which again relate to the areas that we've already talked about. So I'm going to add a field into zone 1. So I just come along, click on add field, and then I get this pop-up box, and there's a bit of information that's asked here. We've got the type of field, and there's lots of different types of fields that we can use, from checkboxes to date fields, hyperlinks, numbers, etc. So I won't go through them all, but select the one that's right for the type of data that you're trying to capture. In this case I'm going to put a date field, and we're going to call this one preferred start date, and field instructions, we will call this add customer preferred start date here. And placeholder text is not used for the date field but is used for the other fields. And this area down below, show field and table list view, I'm not actually going to go through this functionality here. We'll do another video, so keep an eye out for that, which talks about how this functionality is used, and we can basically go and view it. So from here I'm going to click save, and we've now saved that custom field. Now if you have more than one custom field in this zone, you can click with the mouse and then drag and drop to reorder them. So you can put them in an order that makes sense for you. Now let's just go and flick back over to the projects and go into our project that I set up earlier. And we've got client name, project name, and then under that we've got our new custom field. Now I picked the date picker, or basically the date field type, and if I click on that I can now choose a date for the preferred start date, which is obviously what the customer is asking for. So that's how we've set up that custom field. You can have multiple coming down underneath it, and like I say, in different areas and different zones within the projects and the clients tab. So hopefully that gives you an idea on how to use custom fields, and also shows you how to set up custom fields, and it should be super easy. Like I say, keep an eye out for the other video that we'll do on custom fields, and basically on advanced use of custom fields, which will be on our channel as well. And hopefully that video has been, or this video has been educational for you, gives you a good understanding on how custom fields work and how you can set them up. So please go and have a look at our other videos so you can get more knowledge on how you can use Roll to work for your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.